Hi, David Odell here with Odell Complete Concrete. What we're going to be doing here is a little concrete patching. If you have chips or spalls or some areas that is just coming apart. This is what I use right here. Quickcrete vinyl patch. You don't need a bonder with this. It's already in the mix. Now, so we have a chip right here, as you can see. So what you have to do to prep it, in this case, it's fairly clean. But you just want it moist. No standing water. But you do want it moist. As you can see there, it's nice and moist. No standing or puddling water. Now it's ready for me to mix this product. Since it's a real small patch, I'm going to add it with the sponge. I'm going to add the water through the sponge. That way I don't get too much water in there. So basically what we have is we have a bucket with clean water, and then we're using the actual pail that the patch product comes in to mix it. And we have a margin trowel here. I'm mixing it to about the consistency of Play-Doh. This is about like Play-Doh right now. Let me show you what I mean. Now, we're just going to get it close. We're going to let it sit like that, and then we'll come back in about 10 minutes and we'll carve it, because it'll be standing there. We're going to actually shave the shape of it, because what we want to do is, notice how there's a radius on this edge. We'll go ahead, and right now I've got it square, the patch itself. So I'm going to shave this off a little bit, once it dries out a little. Once I get it shaped up, I'll take my sponge, because notice we have a broom texture on the existing here, going this direction. Well, with this sponge I can get that same texture, and that's what we'll be doing momentarily here. Let's come back in about 10 minutes and check it out. Alright, we're back on this patch 15 minutes later. We're in the shade, it's morning, about 70 degrees, so we had 15 minutes later. Now I've just got to shape it a little bit, cut off a little excess, clean up off of the existing. You just want it to go right to the actual chip, not over it. Here's the excess. We'll save that for the next patch possibly. Now I'm just kind of getting that radius in there. Doesn't have to be perfect, because the sponge is going to really shape it up. Squeeze out the excess water in the sponge. You just want it moist sponge, not excess water. And now you can just blend it in off that patch. Wring out the sponge, get it clean and dry, and clean up the excess off of the existing. There it is. There's your patch.
right.
All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.